How to fix Bluetooth missing from device manager on Windows 10. So if you want to fix your Bluetooth missing from your device manager on your Windows 10 or 11, then you just need simply right click on your Windows, go with device manager. Under your device manager, you'll have your Bluetooth option. But if you don't find the Bluetooth right here, then you just need simply go with your network adapters, and under your network adapters, you may have your Bluetooth option, or you can also scroll down and you'll have an option of universal serial bus controllers. You can also go with that, and here also you may have that Bluetooth option. So here under Universal Serial Bus Controllers, you will have an option of Realtek USB Card Reader 2.0, or it might be also under your network adapters. Once you find that option, then you just need simply right click on it, go with update driver, select the second option, and then again go with the second option and select the first one and go with next. And you need to update your driver. After updating, your problem might be, or you can also just simply go with view, and under that you can go with show hidden devices, and you may find your hidden devices, which is your Bluetooth. So after that, you need to just restart and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.